Alright, what we're going to show you now is to line up your rail blade on your Arena Rascal Pro. You'll turn it so that the tube for the Scarfire pockets or profile blade pockets align with the X-frame. Slide it in so that the hole in the frame and the hole in the rail blade line up. Insert your pin, then you'll lock it down with your 1/4 inch length pin. And now, one of the other things you can do with this, you'll notice there's a wheel to help protect it off the side rails or walls. There's also a pipe at the end. What I like to do, I like to buy a piece of fiberglass rod. In the north, we use them for marking driveways in the winter. But you can actually insert this in this pipe hole. You'll have to put a few wraps of tape or something on to make it large enough and wedge it in there. And that way, instead of just having an 8-inch sight to look at, you can have a 2 or 3 foot sight, so it's easier to see, so you don't damage your rails or walls. Now, on the Rascal series, the rail blade has been designed to be used with a finish rake only. So usually what you'll do is grade out the rest of your arena, get as close to your rails as you can. Stop, install your rail blade, pin it in, put your Scarfires or profile blades all the way up as high as they'll go. And then set it down to the height you want to drive around your rail blade, and then adjust your finish rake to smooth everything out to a nice finish to match the rest of your arena.